I have a question for you. Do you think Ramadan is more than just samosas or spring rolls or trying to figure out which masjid to go to that has the best iftar? You know what I'm talking about. I mean, we spend so much time thinking about what we're going to eat during the month of Ramadan. Is that an upside down way? I don't know. But I know I have done that. Spent so much time filling samosas and spring rolls and kebabs and making sure that the fridge is full and the freezers are full. Well, I would like to invite you to a whole new wonderful experience on how you can make this Ramadan 2014 the best ever. How do you fill yourselves up in suhoor to find that you will eat nutritional foods that is actually going to keep you fuller longer? And hydration. Don't forget this very short period of time, maybe around 6 hours that you have between 9 and 3 or 9 and 4 at night to be able to hydrate yourself in these warm summer months. What about your mind? Do you know it takes 21 days to learn a new habit? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us 29 to 30 days. There must be some reason in hikmah, because of this. What about the time we spend in salah and taraweeh and qiyam? Do you think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends us messages where we can access our deeper guidance using our emotions? Interesting question. What about the dua that we're going to make during the month of Ramadan? How do we make it so powerful that your duas actually come true? Or what about goals? What about being productive? How to use this Ramadan not only to be productive, to create balance in your life, but to actually set goals that can work for you, that'll be beneficial, and that you can use in the rest of the year. What about some of us who walk around not thinking that we might not be stepping into our authentic self? Would you want to learn about how to step into your authentic self? And then there's the relationships, our children, challenging behaviors, and then you add hunger and thirst on top of that. Oh my God, what kind of combination is that? Well, I invite you to come over to our Ramadan Summit, the first annual pre-Ramadan spiritual summit. And this is for you if you are a new Muslim and you want to know what it's like to fast alone or have Eid alone and to find that tawakkul, to surrender to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Or maybe you're a parent and you want to help your children modify their behavior, modify your own behavior, and you want to set a great example. You want a better Ramadan, period. Or maybe you're not even a Muslim. You are someone of another faith and you're curious. What do Muslims really do in Ramadan? This is the place to be. I'll tell you, we have 10 amazing experts who are amazing people. Never mind just about what they say, but what they do. They walk their talk. I love them personally. And I really invite you to click on the link, RamadanSpiritualSummit.com. Come over to the other side. Registration is completely free. You're going to have a wonderful time with us. You're going to learn a lot. And when you register, you don't even have to show up live. Yeah, you get access to the recordings free of charge. Yeah, we're not going to even charge you any money. We're doing this so we as an ummah and as a people of this human race can have an amazing, authentic, wonderful experience this Ramadan. I am Fatima Omar Kamisa and I am so excited to see you on the summit this Sunday, June the 22nd. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.